Exercise 15. If t is a solution to the equation above, what is the value of t squared? It's a rational equation. I can solve it by hand for sure, but I want to be perfectly sure. I can totally understand if you don't feel confident enough. It's okay. This is why you were offered Desmos or even a scientific calculator. If you don't have a scientific calculator, which I hope you do, you can still use Desmos. Let's see. Let's use Desmos. Let me split it in the screen and let's use it. We will create first the fraction 3 over 2x to the power of 2 plus 4 is equal to 1 over 6. We need to zoom out to see that. Okay, so we have two solutions. Remember that these solutions are, can we see that? We cannot see it yet. So that would be, that's the thing with Desmos. It doesn't produce the answer we want. Obviously here the answer is not a good one, and we have issues. So let's abort this thing, or let's try something different. Instead of making Desmos solve for x, we will make it solve for the entire t squared, because don't forget that this is what we want. So I will input in Desmos this thing, 2x plus 4 equals 1 over 6. And now I'll know that when Desmos responds back to with x, that's t squared, which is basically what I wanted to get. So let's try again. This time, however, like I said, we will do 3 over 2x plus 4 equals 1 over 6. Let's zoom out again to see where my solution is. It is here, and there you are. It's 7. It's perfectly clear that it is 7. So t squared is 7. And that makes sense because before we were trying to approximate square root of 7. Now, this is how it can be done through Desmos. Let's make our lives way, way easier by using our scientific calculators. In my case, that would have been Casio FX6050. For those of you who are my students already or know me, and we are using Casio, it would be easier. I'm sure that TI, I know that TI has similar options. They have the nsolve over there. Now, option calc solven, 3 over 2x squared plus 4 equals, with shift and dot, 1 over 6. Execute, exit, negative square root of 7 and square root of 7. Remember that these are the x's or the t's. T squared would have been the root of these numbers, which is obviously equal to 7. That's all. Remember that you can use Desmos, but specifically for equations, if you have a scientific calculator, it would have been even better.